Close your eyes and take deep breaths. And as you exhale, you feel more and more relaxed. Leaving all your worries behind. Experiencing the here and now. Relax your shoulders. And visualize the light of your heart as a sphere of white light that starts to expand. See that sphere grow way over your head, taking all the higher chakras and feel all of your higher chakras expanding with it. Now we're gonna do the grounding exercise. Visualizing a tube of light that comes from above, passing through the crown chakra, all the way down to the root chakra. Through the root chakra, all the way down to the center of the earth. Visualize a small toroid growing, an energy field within your heart chakra. And from the heart chakra, this energy field expands, forming a bigger toroid. That is as tall as you are, or bigger. Try to visualize that toroid as big as your room. Feel the vortex of the subtle energies and the denser energies flowing through all your subtle bodies and the physical. Having the heart chakra as the center point. Now let's expand the heart chakra even further by focusing our mind in our hearts. On unconditional love. Love for all living beings. And you can repeat what I'm gonna say out loud. I love all living beings on this planet, all the plants, all of the animals, all humans, unconditionally. I love planet Earth and all multidimensional beings. We are one. One with everything that is, with the energy field of everything that is. I am one with my higher self, with my I am presence. And I invite my I am presence to shine even brighter through the heart chakra and illuminate the world everywhere I am. As my I am presence fuels the unconditional love that permeates the energy field of the whole universe. May my lower self feel it also. At this moment, we are one. One with the universe and with all cosmic beings. Feel what your iron presence feels. Profound peace. Unconditional love. mindfulness. In contact with the I Am presence, experiencing peace and unconditional love. You feel yourself complete. And nothing that comes from the material world upsets you. Not important. As you expand your heart chakra, you increase your ability to love as all spirit beings from the higher realms love. This fraternal love is the essence. It can be perceived in the energy field that permeates the universe, in the material realm, and throughout the subtle realms. You are a multidimensional being, and as such, as you expand your heart chakra, you may, little by little, perceive, feel all of the other realms and energies. You may be able to communicate with other beings, such as extraterrestrials, spirit guides, mentors, and learn much more about yourself, about your true nature, who you really are. Why are you incarnated on earth? What's your purpose? Everything you need to know, it's within you. It's not out there. You have all the answers within yourself. And the more you share your love to all living beings and to all the consciousness on the higher realms and the universe, the more aware you've become. We thank you all for participating in this meditation. Namaste. We are your extraterrestrial friends, and we work together with spiritual beings, your spirit guides, your mentors, with the permission of the Karmic Board and the Planetary Command. Let's return slowly. Focusing our attention to our physical body. Move your fingers slowly. And when you feel that is the right moment, open your eyes.